What's up, everybody? I'm KGM.
And I'm Liz.
What are we doing today?
I'm doing my makeup.
Alright, we've already prepped her skin and primed it. We used Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. This is great for sensitive skin. And then we use Petroleum Jelly. This is another great option. It does not clog pores. From, I believe, BoxyCharm, we got Glow Recipe, Strawberry BHA Pore Smoothing Blur Drops. We're going to start with today. Does it feel funny?
Mm-hmm. This is funny.
Okay, look up to the sky. Want to get your neck? I've got so much watch. I have so much. I think first we're going to start off with some blush. I have this really awesome e.l.f. blush. It is the Camo liquid blush. It's a very like corally shade. It doesn't look the same on camera. Put some on my hand. Warm up the product. Then we'll use this LA Colors brush. All right. And then we're going to go in with some Pro Conceal HD Definition LA Girl. She is a pink concealer to brighten her under eyes. Put some on my hand and warm up the product. Look up to the sky. All right. Next, we should do your brows. This is our new Benefit Precisely My Brow Wax. We got this in the My Glam bag, and we have been loving it. I think it's great for both of our hairs. I have like really dark blonde eyebrows that grow in, and she has very light golden brown eyebrows. So just brush them into place, give them a little color. All right.
You look so cute.
You always look so cute. All right. What color do you want today? Mackenzie? All right. Today, we're going to be using this shade right here.
Mackenzie.
This pinky shade.
I
Close your eyes.
Messed it up. Remember when I messed it up?
What'd you call it before?
Magazine.
Yeah, she read the name Mackenzie and called it magazine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go in with my finger to get the maximum color payoff. So look up.
Oh my god, it's gonna be a lot of color. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, it's so much pink.
Don't you love it though?
That looks like red on
We're gonna bring it up a little bit with the color.
That looks red on there.
Yeah, it looks kind of red on camera, but it's more pink in person. Okay, let's do some eyeliner. We are gonna be using the Dot Gel eyeliner though.
It was glam bag.
It was the Glam bag.
I just tried to guess it, so I think that's right.
Okay. And what is your most favorite thing to do with mom for makeup? Lipstick. Lipstick's the most fun. All right, let's do a little.
Because doing the eyelashes are like.
All right.
I was gonna do like, or else I could do like half and half.
You want half and half. Okay. So we're gonna be doing the Jeffree Star Rose Madder and then the Jeffree Star Prom Night, half and half.
Because I want to do like a pink explosion.
A pink explosion. Okay. I'm gonna do half of your lips. Okay. What do you think?
That looks more just like a hot pink. Put this on.
You already have a lot of pink on your cheeks, though. You want more pink?
I'm gonna make you so it looks like I'm blushing.
You're blushing?
Cause it says make me blush. I want to be a pink explosion girl.
All right. What do you think about that? You know, as long as you love it, that's all that matters. And it makes you feel pretty. Bye, everybody.
Bye.